Myself on mute.
Now you can stay on. I'll do your case first, okay? I know you struggle a little bit with the media, okay?
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, and you? How are you doing today, Miss Wingate?
I'm doing good. I haven't been in any trouble, and I have not been to the drug house. I'm still at Stanford House.
That's so good. So how many days are you clean, ma'am?
Almost 6 months.
All right now, congratulations. How you feel?
Very good.
I feel good.
Good. That's what I like to hear, okay?
Okay,
I'm gonna call
thank
your
you.
matter first, okay, Miss Wingate?
Okay.
All right. I'll have you state your name to Stanford House, okay? After I have the attorney state their names and the client stated, okay? All right.
Okay.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Kimberly Wingate. This is ticket U60995421. This is one count entering without owner's permission. We are here today for a review. She was to have done 25 hours of community service. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns, Tesfamariam, on behalf of the client, Ms. Wingate. Ms. Wingate, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Kimberly Marie Wingate.
Thank you. And I understand the host for the the individual that hosted the community service. I understand that individual is in the courtroom as well. Would you state your name for the record, please? Sandy Carnes.
That would be us. And yes, we're the director of Stanford House. We did oversee her community service.
Thank you.
Your
Your Honor, I did,
okay.
And I did see the proof as well. It was in writing, Your Honor, and looking at the information that I've received from the client is in compliance with this court's order, and we'd ask that this matter be closed at this time if there's nothing further.
All right, at this time, seeing that she has completed her community service and she has almost 6 months of sobriety, the court is going to close out this ticket at this time. Keep working hard, Ms. Wingate. It takes time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
She'll get there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
She did 30, it was 31 and a half hours. She did even more.
Fantastic. Right, Ms. Wingate, and we can always help other people, okay? So we don't have to stop just because you completed the service with me. You can keep going, okay? Because it always is nice to give back.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. And thank you, Stanford House, Ms. Carnes. I know that you've done good work for a long time, so keep up the good work. Thank you.
So is that it?
Yep, you're all set. You can leave.
So my name.
I don't know what she's saying. All right. Go ahead, log off, Ms. Wingate. You know how to do that? Okay, all right. All right, I'll call you next, Miss Stacy Walker. It's Stacy McCall Walker, right? Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Good morning.
I
said good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much. So some of her tickets are Walker and the rest are McCall. One ticket is Walker, the other are McCall. Now calling the matters of the people versus Stacy Walker. This is ticket SP 963472. That's just one count, count two. Unregistered motor vehicle, ticket SP 1180129, count one. That is failed to display. Ticket SP 1261722. That's one count improper plates. And ticket SP 122211342. One count improper plates. Today is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns, Tesfamariam, on behalf of Miss Stacy McCall Walker. Miss Walker, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Stacy Janae McCall.
Thank you. Your Honor, I understand my client was ordered to do 80 hours of community service. She has submitted proof to me that she has completed 120 hours of community service. So It appears that my client is in compliance with this court's order. We'd ask that this matter be closed at this time. And if it's a delayed sentence, then we'd ask that the matter be dismissed. If it were a delayed sentence, I'm not sure.
It's not, it's just so that it can be closed out, so.
Thank you.
Oh, no problem. I wish it was. No, she pled to him, but she got no points. All the tickets should have no points.
Okay,
So it was proper plates, drive, unregistered, untitled motor vehicle. FTD sometimes affects your license abilities for like 30 days, but you should be all right, okay?
all right. Yana, she did indicate to me that she had paid $200 on some tickets, but it's my understanding that it was not in reference to this court's order. Is that correct?
It should not have been, Miss. It wasn't it for my tickets, right? I just gave you straight community service, right?
You did?
I did. I didn't give you any money to pay, I don't think. What did you pay on?
Cause you had said, cause I originally had 33 tickets. So some of the officers showed up, we threw out some, then I had 6 tickets. And I think if I'm not mistaken, don't quote me, I think I had to pay on three of them, and I had to do the community service for the other 3. So I paid 2.5 tickets. I had like a $50 balance left. I didn't have the $50 at the time. So that's why I had grabbed those extra hours at community service so I could try to make up for it. So I was trying to figure out which tickets I had paid because I had lost the ticket numbers I was supposed to pay on. And I had called the court, the receptionist, she couldn't find out what tickets it was. And it just was, but I did send over the receipts. I had made the payments through my Cash App. So I had did the online payment, and then I had used my Cash App card, and they don't really give you a receipt like that. And I didn't get an email. It just gives me what I paid and what I paid it to. I could have sworn you told me to pay some money. I don't remember this. We had the last court date maybe in April, I believe, or March. I don't really remember, but I know I did complete my community service. I did make a payment to the court. I do know one ticket I was $50 short, so that's why I did pick up those extra community service hours. I'm just ready to pay my reinstatement fee and do the right thing. I'm just ready to. I'm ready to go to work. I've been sitting. I didn't want to come to court, Miss Taylor, and you said, nah, I told you to do this, and then you look up, I got more tickets because I'm not doing the right thing. So I'm ready. I'm ready to go to work.
I understand. I appreciate it very, very much. We're trying to find out what happened. I don't remember assessing any fines, but we're trying to find out. So just give us a moment, okay? I appreciate you coming back ready, though. Just give us a moment. We're looking at the computer system right now, okay?
Okay.
You know, you still have some civil infractions out there?
I'm sorry,
You know, you still have some civil infractions out there that need to be paid?
what's that?
Do you know you still have some stuff in front of Judge Wagner? Or no?
No.
They have you scheduled for a trial on August 31st in front of Judge Wagner.
So why? Well, let me.
Because you have it under McCall still. Some of your tickets are under McCall.
I thought we had. I thought this was all my court tickets.
I thought we did take care of the majority of your court tickets last time too.
We did. We took care of all of them.
Let me see.
Okay. Let me just put it down in my notes.
Okay, so you have some 23 civil infractions. We'll take care of those. But the civil infractions from 2018, I ain't take care of those. Those stayed in the computer system, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So the 2023 things we'll take care of, but the 2018, you have like one 2019 thing. All right. So I figured it all out. You were still scheduled for a trial in Judge Wagner, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4 cases that are gonna be kind of in default from 2018. It's a no seatbelt. It's $110. That includes a reinstatement fee. You have a $6 no plate. Write this down.
Okay, 1 second. Give me a pen.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm ready.
$110 for a seatbelt ticket. This ticket is SP 793383. It's gonna be counts 1, 2, and 3. You have to pay on all those tickets. I'm gonna give you the prices. $110, $6, and $135.
Okay, you said it's 135, 106, and 110.
Nope, just $6 and 110.
Just $6?
It's just $6 left on there. 6.
Okay.
Okay.
And
And then
it's the same ticket number?
Yep, it just changes, so it's SP 793383, counts 1, 2, and 3. Then you have ticket SP 7933841, and that's $45. That's the reinstatement fee. These tickets all have reinstatement fees in.
Okay.
All right. Attorney, I'm gonna call 5 cases on the record. And based on her pleading to all these other cases, you can make the appropriate recommendation. Calling case number SP 1387504, count 1, driving while license suspended, count 2, expired plates, count 3, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number SP 14221801, 1 count, drove while license suspended, count 2, no proof of insurance. Can I have your appearances once again for the record?
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns, Tesfamara on behalf of the client. Would you state your full name for the record, please, Ms. McCall Walker? Would you state your full name for the record, please, Ms. McCall Walker?
Stacy Janae McCall.
Thank you. Your Honor, it's my understanding that these matters would be dismissed based upon the conditions that the client has already satisfied relative to all of her matters. It's my understanding that these matters would be dismissed since she has satisfied the court requirements on the other tickets. Yes, we ask these matters be dismissed.
And at this time, the court is going to dismiss these matters. Ms. McCall, somehow it got bifurcated and some of these cases went to Judge Wagner, and I was supposed to have received all the cases and put them all together. I think after you pay those remaining fines, I think it's sufficient. You had a ton of tickets. Ms. McCall, don't let yourself go like that anymore. You see how hard it was to dig out of that and how many tickets you had? You don't want to do that anymore, okay?
So one quick question. So I'm supposed to see, so the ticket numbers you gave me is, I have to pay the 110, the 135, and the $6, right?
Yes. Yep.
And those ticket numbers is SP 793383 for all of them, or do each ticket?
It's the number to call. Call the courtroom. My clerk is gonna help you, okay? Take down the number 313. We're gonna help you. Call at noon 313-965-2293.
Okay, call it right now.
No, call at noon, please. Noon.
At 12.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. And she's gonna walk you through all the remaining tickets that you need to pay. Okay. And that when you do these 4 tickets, it'll take care of everything.
Okay.
All right. All right. You'll be all set.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. All right. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. You just got these tickets. All right. Miss Teron Wright Triplet, can you unmute yourself for me, please? Now calling the matter of People versus Teron Marie Wright triplet. This is ticket SP 1460740. One count drove while license not valid or improper. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lucille Towns Casper-Marion on behalf of Ms. Triplett. Ms. Triplett, would you state your full name for the record, please?
Teron Marie Wright triplet.
Thank you. Your Honor, I understand this is a show cause matter. Client appears to have inadvertently missed a court date in this matter. There is an offer by the people for a reduced plea. My client has been advised of her rights and she'd like to avail herself of this offer.
All right. And there's a ticket in default. I don't know if you discussed that with her, but it's the reduced plea failed to display.
A ticket in default, I wasn't aware of a civil infraction in default.
I know, I'm telling you, but was the offer failed to display so I can know?
Yes, it is. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Yes, it's a failure to display. Yes, forgive me.
All right, no problem. It's okay. Ms. Wright triplet, if you plead to the failure to display, I'll dismiss the disregard signal red or amber. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, please raise your hand for me, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm
Yes.
to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
No. No. No.
You don't want to, you want to move forward with taking the plea, not move forward with a trial.
Oh, yes. Yes.
All right. I want to take your attention, ma'am, back to the date of May 16th of 2023. At that time, were you driving an Audi vehicle in the area of Schaefer and Pembroke in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license improper or not valid at the time?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Counsel satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. And the court is as well. Enter a plea to the amended charge failed to display. The remaining ticket is a civil infraction. I'll dismiss that. Ma'am, my fine is, you're welcome. My fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days. I'm gonna break it up.
Okay. All right, that's gonna be October 16th, okay? October 16th.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, of course. I know sometimes they didn't make it into the docket, but if I see it in the file and I just saw it, I'll take care of it.
Very
All right.
good. You're very thorough.
I try to be. The point is to give people